Another type of question that students always struggle is when the denominator are not the same. Okay, so you look at this question, sorry, there's a typo here, so the denominator should be over 3. Okay, on the left side, again, there are two fractions, so it's not very good. Now, if you are not confident with algebra, always think of them as numbers. So if let's say I have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3, okay, how can I add this? Of course, I need to know that the common denominator is 12. Yes, so to get 12, I times 3 times 3 times 4 times 4. So this is 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12, and that's when I can add. You can only add a fraction when the denominator are the same. Okay, so same goes for this kind of fraction with algebra. The first, I know that their common denominator should be over 12. Okay, and then probably this should be in red. Okay, so this, for the first fraction, I need to multiply by the 3 to both the numerator and the denominator. Multiply by 4 to both the numerator and the denominator. So I will have 3, and always do this step. 3 bracket a, put the 3 in front of both the a plus 1. Always do this step, so that you will not have any careless. Over 12. Okay, plus 4 bracket a minus 1 over 12 equals to 4. At this point of time, we can combine them. Over 12 equals to 4. Okay, so if you have understood the rationale, you want to jump from here to here is perfectly okay. But remember to have the number in front of the bracket. Now I can open the bracket. My numerator would become 7a minus 1 over 12 equals to 4. Now, same thing. How can I remove the 12 as a denominator? I must multiply by 12 on both sides, the left side and the right side. So this will become 7a minus 1 equals to 48. Okay? Or another way is you think of it as cross multiply. 12 over to 4. Okay, so we teach it as cross multiply is because we are actually multiplying 12 on both the left side and the right side. So which means 7a is equals to, so same thing, if I want to remove the 1, the minus 1 go over, become 48 plus 1. 7a equals to 49, a equals to 7. Again, remember you must make both to have the same denominator first. Just on one side will do. You don't have to make the same denominator for everybody. Just either on the left side or on the right side.